Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2013 Honda Shadow AERO 750 runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It's been upgraded with a Voyager TRIKE kit, quick detachable windshield, Cobra rider floorboards, reverse, backrest, luggage rack, aftermarket saddlebags, and lever tassels. Powered by a 749cc V-twin engine with a 5-speed transmission, it produces 43 horsepower and 44 foot-pounds of torque. Not too much to overwhelm a newer rider, but plenty to keep you entertained. The addition of a TRIKE kit makes it accessible to a wider range of riders, and the addition of saddlebags and a windscreen give it some light touring capacity. In stock form, it has a lower seat height of 25.7 inches and a light weight of 5 inches or 4 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.